Hey there, welcome to Accounting Basics. If you've ever been confused by what debit and credit actually mean in accounting, you're not alone. Today we're breaking it all down so you can finally understand how debits and credits work in the general ledger. Let's get right into it. Let's start with the general ledger. This is the master set of accounts that a business uses to record all its financial transactions. Think of it like a big book where every transaction gets recorded in at least two places, once as a debit and once as a credit. This method is called double entry accounting, and it's the foundation of modern accounting. Why double entry? Because every financial transaction has two sides, where the money came from and where it went. So what exactly is a debit? In accounting, a debit simply means an entry on the left side of a ledger account. But here's the key. A debit doesn't always mean you're spending money. Debits increase certain types of accounts, like assets, cash or equipment, expenses, like rent or salaries, and they decrease others, like liabilities, money you owe, equity, the owner's interest, and revenue, income you earn. Let's say your business buys a laptop for $1,000 in cash. You would debit your equipment account because your assets are increasing. Now let's talk about credits. A credit is an entry on the right side of the ledger. Like debits, they're not inherently good or bad. It depends on the account. Credits increase liabilities, equity, revenue, and they decrease assets and expenses. In that laptop example, you'd credit your cash account because cash, an asset, went down. Here's the golden rule. Every debit must have a matching credit. That's how the books stay balanced. In our laptop purchase example, debit equipment, $1,000. Credit cash, $1,000. Total debits equal total credits. If they don't, something's wrong. This balance keeps the financial statements accurate and helps detect errors quickly. And that's the basics of debits and credits in the general ledger. If this helped clear things up for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more accounting tips. Thanks for watching, and keep those books balanced.